So behind me here we have white rhinos that we have on the Hongerkop. We have a bull to the right hand side, and then there's a female to the left with her baby. The baby is about a year old now. She's been born last year, May month. So they're about a year old. We've got 3 babies in total. The reason why you guys see them without horns, the sad thing in Africa, they get poached, white rhinos and black rhinos. So the process of dehorning them is a vet comes in, they dart the animal, and then we simply just cut off the horn, and that's good that the horn get microchipped, and we store that in a safe place. It stays in possession of the owner. That's just one of the things we need to do to protect the rhinos. To cut off the horns to make the risk of getting poached less. Um, so that's just one of the conservation things that we do to save rhinos in Africa.